Second thing, sir, is regarding Western Ghats and environmentally sensitive areas. कितले गांव फायनली तुम्ही बाहेर काढतात इतलो साधो प्रश्न हो.
Basically, I don't know whether I'm the right person to talk on.
The Minister for
no,
Environment.
no. I'll tell you. I'll tell you why I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure whether I'm the right person to talk on this subject, because I know for sure that this is a very touchy topic as far as our Chief Minister is concerned. He's personally monitoring. He's taken it upon himself to solve this issue to the best of the interests of the Goans. I know I've accompanied him 3 times to Delhi. We have sat with the Western Ghats committee there. We have sat with the Honorable Union Minister for Environment.
कितले गांव सर ऑन एन असे
See, altogether, as per the draft notification,
Yeah.
they have notified 108 villages.
Yes.
Government of the 108 villages, Government of Goa has been trying to remove whatever it can. Government of Goa, prior to me becoming the Environment Minister, had agreed to approximately 59 villages. Thereafter, another 49 have come into the picture. Now, when I say 49 had come into the picture, I mean they were there even at that time. It's not that any new thing has come. You may tell me what the figure has jumped from 99 to 108. Yes and no. Why do I say yes and no? Primarily, the additional 9 were there in the earlier notification. But there was a bit of a confusion there. So clarity, after being clear, they've realized that it was really 108 and not 99.
अदमास कितले असे बाहेर सरपाक शकता तातूंतल्या realistically?
See, we have formed a committee. This committee, a detailed study has been done. A detailed study of each and every village has been conducted. They were also directed to visit the villages. We have interacted with sarpanches, we have interacted with MLAs, we have interacted with various bodies, and they have almost finalized their report. I have not seen the report in detail till now, but all I can tell you, it is our endeavor to try and remove as much as many villages.
What is the ballpark figure that we are looking at?
Basically, we are talking of 49 villages, the new additional 49 villages.
Yeah.
So let's see how many we can take out from there. Our aim is to remove as many as possible.
What is a realistic figure? After the study, I am saying, because this is a very serious committee with very senior people.
After the study is concerned, to be honest, we are still having boxing matches, because we are seeking much more than what
the committee is recommending.
But ultimately, at the end of the day, the government will go by the recommendations of the committee.